Filmora released their newer version in which they introduced some really good effect that is super useful in an editing process, and one of them is mask effect. So let's suppose I have this video, so if I apply any effect on that video, so I just go with this effect which is actually a black white effect. So it will apply on my whole video, but I just want to apply it on a specific thing. For that, I just double click on my video, go to effects, and here I have a video effect that I applied on my footage, and here we can see we have a little box over here. So if you click on this, you can see a rectangular, circular, and custom, right? So I just go with a custom one, and here I have a keyframe option right here. So what does it mean? If you select any area and there you are, your effect will be applied on a specific thing. So now let me show you how you can utilize this effect. So just go with the custom tool and select the car area that I want to highlight it. You can also use this effect as a transition. That is really super useful, right? So here we have some basic options, which is actually a extend, that you can extend the value, and or you can increase or decrease the blur strength to make it smoother, and also we have an opacity option right here. As always, we have an invert option, so you can just increase it, and there you are. As you can see, all the area are black and your car is highlighted, so you can highlight it some specific thing using this effect. You can increase the blur strength, decrease the extent to make it smoother, make it more realistic. As you can see, it looks really good, right? But as you can see, our object is moving, so the selection is really bad. So for that, you need to add a keyframe. So I just select the keyframe right here and move 10 frames, which is really good. Select your selection and make an adjustment like so, like we've done in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a simple trick, right? So you can need to make it arrangement after every 10 seconds to make it more better. So I just hold shift right arrow key twice. Here is the 10 frames again. So I just selected my car again to make it highlighted. There we are, right? So let me preview it. As you can see, all the video footage is actually black and white, and we just highlighted our single object which is actually moving. So in this way, you can create a simple transition, simple video effects, and during your editing, you can use this effect, which is super useful. More than that, we also have many pre-made effects in a Wondershare Filmora. We have a pre-made transitions, titles, audio, and also have our stickers and a complete template. So you can check it out, Filmora, for free. Link in the description below. So yeah, that's all about this short tutorial. I hope you liked this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.